part of this project is 20 megawatts, I believe. So we'll carry on, put up enough steelwork to take 20 megawatts of solar power, and then that we will connect into inverter buildings, and them inverter buildings in some locations will have battery storage facilities. So we're able to store some of the excess power that we make. Actually, it's been really good straight off the bat, really. It unloaded well. We've had no issues with it. It assembled because it came obviously with the mast down. So from the vehicle, it assembled together well. We had no issues putting it together ourselves. And we've been using it for, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 weeks now, and it's not missed a beat, to be honest. The guys have been using it, and I'd say they like it. We're happy with it as a customer. We're on heavy clay here, so it's not the easiest material to push the posts into, but it's not had any problems at all. The amount of posts we need to put in a day is hitting or exceeding, so we're happy with that. We've had no issues with manoeuvrability. We're lucky in the site that we've got is a big, vast open space. And for manoeuvring in and out of the posts, in and out the flags, it's been superb, no problems. It was very intuitive, so the guys have managed to go on it and use it pretty much straight away. With just a couple of hours familiarisation with it, and going through the operations and instructions, and then we go through the method statements and risk assessments in its use, say systems of work, and then they were out in the field and they were putting posts in. My background is engineering, so as an engineer the first thing we do is we look at it and go, oh. But we actually couldn't criticise much on it. It's a well-made piece of equipment, to be honest. So we bought it without really seeing it. We bought it from photographs and from recommendations from the manager of the guys putting in the posts. And but from my point of view as an engineer looking at it, it was constructed well. For the price, it was very well made for the price, to be honest. I would, yeah. We have no issues. If we had issues with it, then we would be standing here and having a different conversation, but it's been a good piece of equipment straight off. It's done exactly what we wanted to do without fault.